second, every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
Out of here, out of space. Pussy all on my face. Money down for my case. I can't lie, life's great. I can't lie, life's great. Yeah, you know this shit been good. Yeah, you know I'm from the hood. But I made it out the hood. But I made it out the woods. Smoking on dough every day as I should. Counting on money every day as I should. Fucking on hoes every day as I should. I'm a big boss, yeah, I feel like shit. Don't care about the cost, I'ma make the bitch run. At your bed, make the bitch right on deck. My nigga walk in, had a heart attack. I can't lie, life's great. 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 Shoot at the bitch, shoot at the cap, shoot at that bitch, shoot at this cap, shoot at that bitch, shoot at this cap, shoot at that bitch, shoot at this cap, shoot at the bitch, shoot at the cap, shoot at that bitch, shoot at this cap, shoot at that bitch, shoot at this cap, shoot at that bitch, shoot at this cap. Out of here, out of space. Pussy all on my face. Money down for my case. I can't lie, life's great. I can't lie.
Y'all, we're on our way to the beach. I didn't tell y'all. Sorry, but we're on the way to the beach. The whole familia, well, one side, but they're in the back. They're not gonna reach out for no. We're gonna be the first one. Yeah, we at the beach. This is the setup. And then the beach is out there. Yeah, it's so hot. I can't even see what y'all are looking at. But yeah. We needed it. And like I've got the vacuum around. Guys, we're going to Target. This is the fit. Can y'all see? I don't know, but yeah. We're going to Target. Guys, it's nice out, but it's hot. And I'm sweating. And I don't like that. But yeah. See y'all when I reach at Target. So guys, we just came out of Tropical Cafe. And we bought a smoothie. And it really tastes good. I didn't expect it to taste this good, but it tastes good. And it's actually real natural fruits. Hello. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Guys, we were in Burlington a while ago for over an hour. Well, over an hour, almost an hour. Because we were looking baby stuff for my nieces. And yeah, windier, oh my god. We searched through the whole store. But now we're at Target. Hey guys, so I set the camera better. And yeah, if y'all see a quality change in the videos, just know my camera, I'm currently editing, so I have to take out my SD card, so I just using my phone right now. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what we got from Burlington. And then bought these for my niece. And this little cute outfit. It's Zorbs. Then we bought this. And the second one for my other niece. There it is. That's all we bought from Burlington. We also went to ShopRite. I bought alcohol, amongst other things, but I can't buy it. I bought some alcohol to clean my piercing because, guys, this piercing is killing me. This one right up here, guys, it's been taking forever to heal. Like, why? Then bought this for my niece. Well, my mom bought it for my niece for her birthday. And guys, I'm gonna show y'all what I bought her for her birthday. Then we bought this Clorox and Scotch Brite. Then I bought these, you know, yeah, ugh. And this. So yeah, that's all that I bought today. And then this is for my little niece. Her birthday is next week, Monday or Tuesday. So she's been asking me for, every time I go over there, she's been asking me for, she wants a phone case because I always have some cute phone case on my phone. So she'll ask me for phone cases. So I bought her 3 phone cases and they're super cute. But we can't whatever showing right now, so yeah, guys, see y'all when I see y'all. And I think Saturday, please, if rain don't fall, we're going to the water park, so stay tuned for that. Hey y'all, so I'm currently over my in-laws house again. I'm eating breakfast, I just see, but we're gonna get ready soon as well. 11:36. We're gonna leave about at 11:50 because the park is near us, but my sister is gonna come also with the kids, but she lives 45 minutes away, so we're just gonna go there and see what happens and then wait for her at the place. We're going to the water park, if I didn't mention that. I think I did, but yeah. And guys, I'm gonna apologize from now if I don't get a lot of footage because I forgot to order the waterproof case to put my phone in so I could vlog in the pool, but I forgot, sorry. And I don't think I'm carrying this camera because I can't allow it to get wet. So I'll see y'all when we're at there or something. Bye.
This one I better do with the jabata. Me, I know get time, I did that bada. The cover my face, calling me like bada. Biggie man, we don't think we're bada.
Tell me, what's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. They get it, ride the whip. I no feet, ride for nothing. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. They get it, ride the whip. I no feet, ride for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't commend myself. So anything when they do, I they try to do, I'm okay. I can't commend myself. Plenty, shove our baby face. Just to make your money, yeah. But my people, they don't say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? Do I go? All the bed. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all the baby. They got it, ride the whip. I know it. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Roll like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Shada Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trails. When it comes to money, I get concentrate. Look at the streets.
Call it how it is. Hit it. Promise, swear. Every bit. Yo. Percocet. Miley Percocet. Percocet. Miley Percocet. Represent. Gotta represent. Chase a chick. Never chase a bitch. Mask on. Fucking mask on. Mask on. Fucking mask on. Percocet. Miley Percocet. Chase a chick. Never chase a bitch. 2 cups. Toast out with the gang. From full stops to a whole nother domain. Out the lobby. I'm a living proof. Super. They compromising $500,000 on the coupe. Drug houses. Looking like Peru. Graduated. I was overdue. I'm a pink Miley. I can barely move. Ask about me. I'm gon' bust a move. Red chains. 33 chains. Ocean now. Cruising Biscayne. Top off. That's a liability. Hit that. Boosting my adrenaline. Percocet. Miley Percocet. Big fun. Percocet. Miley Percocet. Big fun. Represent. Gotta represent. Gang. Chase a chick. Never chase a bitch. Big fun. Mask on. Fucking mask on. Big fun. Mask on. Fucking mask on. Big fun. Percocet. Miley Percocet. Big fun. Chase a chick. Never chase a bitch. Photo maybe. I drive anything. Buy my range. Make them go insane. My guillotine, Draper Melazine, taking beams, go to those extremes, let's go, Parliament, Calamari wins,
Hey guys, so this is what I did. Isn't it cute? For my niece's 8th birthday. So we're gonna carry this outside because it's a block party. So yeah, look at this. Oh my god, it's so cute. And then the cake is gonna be right here. And yeah. So guys, when I get ready on something, I'll get back or whenever. So stay tuned. Y'all, this is the update. Put out the tables. This one need one. We tore the table something. It was one like this, but it got torn by accident. So I don't know what we're gonna do with that. So yeah. And then the kids are out there playing with in the bouncer ball. So yeah.
Oh, and get my belt.
Load this stuff up.
Alright, Zay said she wanted Happy Birthday to be sung the black way. That's what she told me.
How we doing?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Y'all, we're at a car show. Damn, my friend. We're at a car show, y'all. Well, not a car show, but they're racing and thing in the background. So I'm gonna show y'all the cars.
Project, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. 60 lit. I just wanna rock. I just wanna. I just wanna rock. Body yada yada. Shorty got that body yada yada. Hit it once, no time. Set up, fuck you gon' feel my vibe. Stand on my money, don't know my size. Shake them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. That's my high. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.
MC, make another mix.
This ain't what you want. Project, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
Shake it.